Now let us understand the components of Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint consists of the following components. Title bar. It displays the name of the presentation on which you are currently working. Quick Access Toolbar. It contains the frequently used commands. You can place this toolbar either above or below the ribbon. To do so, click on the drop-down arrow at the end of the toolbar and select Show Below the Ribbon option. To add items to the Quick Access Toolbar, right-click on any item on the ribbon and click on Add to Quick Access Toolbar. Ribbon. The ribbon is placed at the top area of the document. It displays several tabs such as File, Home, Insert, Design, Transitions, Animations, etc. Each tab contains commands which are organized into different groups. Students, let's now have a discussion. Where do you find the ribbon? File tab. The Office button of Microsoft Office 2007 has been replaced by the File tab. The File tab menu allows us to create a new presentation, open an existing presentation, save, print, send, or close the presentation. Slides pane. It is located in the middle of the window where you can work directly on the individual slides. Slides tab. It shows a thumbnail version of each slide. If you want to see the large view of any thumbnail, click on it. The selected slide appears in the Slides pane. You can add, delete, duplicate, and rearrange slides in the Slides tab. Outline tab. The Outline tab displays the text content of each slide. You can edit your text directly in the Outline view. Notes pane. In the Notes pane, you can type your personal notes about the current slide. Students, let's know more. Pressing the Alt key displays the shortcut key for each tab. To further open any particular tab and its commands, press the Alt key along with the specific shortcut key. For example, Alt plus H key combination opens the Home tab. Let us understand the steps of creating a new presentation. To create a new presentation, follow the given steps. Click on the File tab, then go to New option. From the available Templates and Themes pane, choose the Blank Presentation option and click on the Create button. Or simply double-click the Blank Presentation option. A new presentation with a blank slide will open in the PowerPoint window. The default slide that appears when you create a new presentation is titled Slide Layout, which displays the dotted rectangular boxes called placeholders. To add a new slide, click on the New Slide button on the Home tab. To change the layout of active slide, click on the Layout button and select the desired layout from the list. Students, note that to create a new presentation in PowerPoint 2007, click on the Office button and select the new option. Students, let us understand how to add text into a placeholder. To add text inside the placeholder, follow these steps. Click on the Click to Add Title placeholder. The cursor appears in the text box. Type Computer Department. Click inside the Click to Add Subtitle placeholder. Type Learning with Fun. You will notice that the entered text appears on the slide. Now let us talk about saving a presentation. It is important to save your work at regular intervals so as to avoid data loss because of any hardware or power failure. Follow these steps to save a presentation. Click on the Save button present on the Quick Access toolbar or select the File tab, then Save option. The Save As dialog box appears. Specify the name My Presentation in the File Name text box. Click on the Save button. The presentation will be saved with the name My Presentation and with an extension .pptx. Now let us talk about closing and exiting the presentation. Closing a presentation. Click on the File tab, then go to Close option. The presentation will be closed, but the PowerPoint application window will remain open. Exiting a presentation. To close or exit PowerPoint application, click on the Close button on the title bar or click on the File tab and select the Exit option. The Microsoft PowerPoint application will be closed. Students, to exit a presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint 2007, click on Office button, then Exit PowerPoint.